Never thought Honda could bring back the S2000? Well, it looks like they're about to blow your mind. The rumors are flying fast and loud about the 2025 Honda S2000, and car enthusiasts can't stop buzzing. Could we be seeing a true successor to the legendary roadster that left everyone wanting more? Today, we're breaking down everything we know so far, and trust me, it's worth sticking around. For over a decade, fans have been begging for a new S2000. Honda, though, stayed quiet. Until now. While there's no official confirmation yet, leaked details and whispers suggest that Honda might finally deliver the return we've all been waiting for. But will it live up to the hype? What can it bring to the table in today's competitive sports car market? The iconic roadster design is likely making a comeback. Picture that low slung stance, sleek lines, and a convertible top, but now paired with aggressive LED headlights and a more modern front end. And then there's the engine. Rumors suggest we could get that classic high-revving, naturally aspirated power plant, or maybe even a turbocharged version for extra kick. Either way, it's going to scream when you push it to the limit. Performance-wise, Honda is aiming for a lightweight chassis, agile handling, and track-ready power, just like the original. Inside? Expect a minimal, driver-focused cockpit with just enough tech, like touchscreen infotainment, to keep things modern but not distracting. One of the juiciest rumors? The S2000 could drop in 2025 to celebrate the 25th anniversary of the original. That would be a huge nod to its legendary status, but can Honda really recapture the magic of one of the most loved sports cars ever built? While we don't know every detail yet, the 2025 S2000 is shaping up to be something special. Sleek design, roaring engines, and the potential for a turbocharged beast, there's a lot to be excited about. Hit subscribe and stay tuned for more car news you don't want to miss.